Hope you all are doing good. I am Anjana from LearnoHub, the free learning platform where you can study math, science and SST absolutely free at learnohub.com. In today's class, we are going to discuss ICSE Class 10 Maths Chapter 15 Similarities, the basic proportionality theorem and its converse. We'll study the theorem with examples and solve many questions from exercise 15b. In our previous video, we have studied the basics of similarity, what is congruent figures, what are similar figures. After that, we have studied the three postulates, SAS, AAA and SSS. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it first. After that, come to this video and we'll solve together. Here we have the basic proportionality theorem. A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides proportionally. This is basic proportionality theorem statement. We will consider a triangle ABC. As usual, we are considering a triangle ABC. Here we need a line that is parallel to one side of the triangle. Here we are drawing a line DE such that DE is parallel to side BC. Okay, when you see this line, you can understand that this line cuts AB at point D and cuts AC at point E, and DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so here the statement is a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides. Here the parallel side is BC. Okay. Other two sides means AB and AC. Other two sides proportionally. Proportionally means the ratio of AD and DB should be equal to AE and EC. Okay. So we have to prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is what we need to prove. Okay. How to prove this? We'll be considering two triangles. Consider triangle ABC, the bigger triangle ABC, and smaller triangle ADE, and triangle ADE. Let us see if we can get these two triangles similar. Okay. How to show similarity? Either we should use the SAS rule or the SSS rule or AAA rule. If it obey any of these postulates, then the two triangles will be similar. Here we have a common angle, this angle A, which is DAE of triangle ADE and BAC of triangle ABC. This angle is common to both the triangles, which means we can write angle DAE is equal to angle BAC. What is the reason? Common angle. Common angle. Okay. Now, we know that DE is parallel to BC. When you have two parallel lines, a transversal passes through it, then the corresponding side, corresponding angles and the alternate interior angles, etc. are equal. We know that. So, here we have DE parallel to BC. Yes. And AB, this is a transversal. This line is a transversal that passes through DE and BC, the parallel lines. Then we'll be having this angle and this angle equal because they are corresponding angles. We can write angle ADE is equal to angle ABC, and the reason is corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. Okay. Now, when you take the other transversal, that is considering the line DE and BC, AC is the transversal. Okay. It cuts the lines DE and BC. So, these two angles will be equal. Yes. These angles will be equal. Again, they are corresponding angles. That is angle AED is equal to angle ACB. Reason the same corresponding angles. Okay. At least two angles, if they are equal, then the triangles are similar. We have studied this property. AA postulate or AAA postulate. Here we are getting all the three angles equal. If two angles are equal, then according to the sum of interior angles of a triangle, we'll be getting the third angle also equal. So here from this we are using the AA postulate or AAA postulate. We get triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. Now we'll take the corresponding sides. That is, we know that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal or the corresponding sides are proportional. So here AB corresponding to AB, we have AD. AB by AD is equal to corresponding to BC. Here we have BC, we have DE in the small triangle. BC divided by DE is equal to corresponding to AC. This is AC. We have AE in the smaller triangle. AC divided by AE. So here we need AD, DB, AE, EC. AD. We have AD here. Then DB is a part of AB. AE. Here we have AE. And EC is a part of AC. So that we can neglect this and take only these two. AB divided by AD is equal to AC divided by AE. Okay. What is AB? AB is the sum of AD and DB. Okay. So we can write in place of AB, AD plus DB. AD plus DB divided by AD is equal to, what is AC? AC is the sum of AE and EC. AE plus EC divided by AE. Okay. That is AD by AD plus DB by AD is equal to AE by AE plus EC by AE. Now what is AD by AD? AD by AD will be equal to 1. Similarly, AE by AE will be equal to 1. That is 1 plus DB divided by AD is equal to 1 plus EC divided by AE. Okay, we can cancel 1 from left hand side and right hand side. We have DB by AD equal to EC by AE. We need to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Just taking the reciprocal, we'll be getting AD by DB equal to AE by EC. That is, we are taking the reciprocal. Okay, so this is the required proof. Understood? So here the statement is a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. Here the line drawn parallel to one side of triangle means here we are drawing DE. DE is a line that is drawn parallel to one side. The side taken is BC. BC of a triangle divides the other two sides proportionally. Other two sides are AB and AC. They are divided proportionally. That is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is the proof for basic proportionality theorem. Okay, we studied basic proportionality theorem. Now let's see what's the converse of basic proportionality theorem. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle proportionally, the line is parallel to the third side. Just the reverse statement. Here again, we are taking a triangle ABC. Okay. Now, it is given that some point D and some point E lies on AB and AC such that this point divides AB in a ratio AD by DB. And this point divides AC in the ratio AE by EC. And this ratio is equal. That is, in what proportion they are divided. That is given importance. Here we will be having AD divided by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay, this is given. We are going to do the reverse process. Now, this is the line which connects D and E. So, we are going to prove that DE is parallel to BC. We are going to do every steps that we have done in the previous proof, but in the reverse order. Here we are having AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. What I am going to do now is taking the reciprocal of this. That is DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. We are going to prove line DE is parallel to BC. Okay. So DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. Now what I am going to do is add 1 on both sides. Adding 1 on both sides. We get DB by AD plus 1 is equal to EC by AE plus 1. Now taking LCM, here in the denominator we get AD and the numerator DB plus AD into 1 is AD. That is equal to here LCM AE in the numerator EC plus AE. What is DB plus AD? This is AD and this is DB. That is equal to AB. Yes. So we have AB divided by denominator AD is equal to EC plus AE. This is EC and this is AE. Therefore, EC plus AE will be equal to AC. AC divided by AE. Okay. So, here if you are considering two triangles, consider triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Let's see if they are similar or not. Here, when you get this can be used for SAS property. Yes, we have the corresponding sides, the ratio of the corresponding sides equal. AB by AD. AB is part of triangle ABC and AD is part of triangle ADE. Also AC. AC is part of triangle ABC and AE is part of triangle ADE. Okay. So, these sides we are getting equal. The ratio of these sides are equal or the corresponding sides are proportional. Now, this angle is common to both. Yes, both this triangle has angle A. That is, angle TAE is equal to angle BAC. Reason common. So, by using the SAS postulate, we get triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. Okay. If these two triangles are similar, then all the angles, corresponding angles will be equal. That is, this angle will be equal to this angle. This angle will be equal to this angle. Yes, angle ADE will be equal to angle ABC and angle AED will be equal to angle ACB. Okay, because these two triangles are similar. For similar triangles, corresponding angles should be equal. So, if they are equal, when you consider these two lines, we are having a transversal passing. These two are the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal here. Similarly, here again corresponding angles are equal. If corresponding angles are equal, then the lines should be parallel. That is, we get DE is parallel to BC. Only then the corresponding angles can be equal. Here we are getting corresponding angles equal. Therefore, line DE should be parallel to BC. Clear? Understood? Here we have the converse of basic proportionality theorem. The statement is, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle proportionally, the line is parallel to the third side. Clear? Just the reverse statement. Okay, let us take an example. In the adjoining figure, DE is parallel to BC and D divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Find AE by EC, second AE by AC, and the third DE if BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. First, we need to find AE by EC. Here we have DE is a line that is drawn parallel to side BC. Then, other two sides will be divided in the same ratio. Yes, here we have D divides AB in the ratio 2:3, which means AD by DB will be equal to 2 by 3. So this is the ratio in which D divides AB. If D divides AB in the ratio 2:3, then this E divides AC in the ratio 2:3. Yes, because DE is a line which is parallel to BC. So the ratio in which the other two sides are divided will be the same. Okay, therefore we get AE by EC is equal to 2 by 3. Now the second question, we need to find AE by AC. Okay, this is AE and this is AC. How to find AE by AC? Here I am taking the one that we know. We have AE by EC is equal to 2 by 3. We need AE and AC. For that, what I am going to do is I am going to take the reciprocal on both sides. I will be getting EC by AE equal to 3 by 2. Next step, I am going to add 1 on both sides. EC by AE plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Now take the LCM. Here LHS, we get denominator AE as the LCM. Here we have AE, therefore numerator will be getting EC plus, here we have 1. AE into 1 is AE. Is equal to 2 in the denominator as LCM. Numerator we get 3 plus 2 into 1, 2. What is EC plus AE? This is AE and this is EC. Then the whole thing we get AC. AC divided by AE is equal to 3 plus 2, 5 divided by 2. Okay, we need to find AE by AC. Yes, we just need to take the reciprocal now. We get AE by AC is equal to 2 by 5. Here we have added this one to get EC plus AE. Only then we can get the total AC. Okay, so this is the second ratio, that is 2 by 5. Now the third question. We have to find what the length of DE is if BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. For that we need to find if these two triangles are similar. Which triangles? DE. DE should be part of one triangle and BC should be part of the second triangle. We will be taking triangle ADE and triangle ABC. If I am able to prove these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal, from which we can find the value of this DE. Here, when you consider these two triangles, angle A is common to both the triangles. Yes, therefore we have DAE. Angle DAE is equal to angle BAC. What is the reason? Common angle. Common angle. Next, getting one angle, we cannot use any postulate. Then what to do? We need some other angle, right? When you consider these two lines, it is given that these two lines are parallel. And this AB is a transversal which cuts these two lines. Then this angle and this angle. Here we have two parallel lines. And AB cuts this two parallel lines. In that case, these angles will be equal. What do we call these angles? Corresponding angles. So this angle D and this angle B are corresponding angles. Similarly, angle E and angle C are corresponding angles. So we'll be having angle ADE is equal to angle ABC. What is the reason? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Okay, we got two angles equal. So using the AA postulate, we get triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. We get triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal, or the corresponding sides will be proportional, which means AD by AB is equal to DE by BC, and that is equal to AE by AC. Okay. We know what AE by AC is. We have determined what AE by AC is. Here we know BC. This is BC, and we need to find what DE is. Okay. So neglect this part. We'll take this part. DE by BC is equal to AE by AC. That is, DE will be equal to BC into AE by AC. What is AE by AC? 2 by 5. And BC is equal to 7.5. 7.5 into 2 divided by 5. Okay. What is 7.5 divided by 5? We get 5 ones. In 7 ones, we have point. In 25, 5 times. So 1.5 into 2, which is equal to 3 centimeter. This is the required length of DE. We got DE is equal to 3 centimeter. Clear? First, we are showing these two triangles are similar. After that, using the property, the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, we are going to find what DE is. Now, the second example, in triangle ABC, D and E are points on the sides AB and AC respectively. Find whether DE is parallel to BC. If the conditions given, AD is equal to 3 centimeter. This is AD and that is 3 centimeter. Then AE is equal to 4 centimeter. BD is 4.5 centimeter. And AC is given, which is 10 centimeter. Okay. Here, we need to check whether DE is parallel to BC. When do we get DE parallel to BC? DE is parallel to BC only if the ratio AD by DB will be equal to AE by EC. That is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Yes. If the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, then the line that cuts the two sides will be parallel to the third side. Okay, using this we are going to show if DE is parallel to BC. For that we have to get this ratio equal. Here what is AD? AD is known. DB is also known. What is AE? AE we have AE is equal to 4 centimeter. What about EC? What is AE? AE is also given, which is 4 centimeter. But we don't know what EC is. This is EC. We need to find what EC is. How to find EC? We have AC and we have AE. So EC will be subtracting this AE from AC. Yes. EC will be equal to AC minus AE. AC is 10 centimeter and AE is 4 centimeter, which means EC is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. We got this EC, which is 6 centimeter. Now put the values. Here, AD by DB is equal to 3 by 4.5. Multiplying numerator and denominator with 10 so that I can remove the decimal. 30 divided by 45 and that is equal to 15 into 2 is 30. 15 into 3 is 45. 2 by 3 is the ratio. Okay. Now, the second AE by EC. What is AE by EC? AE we have 4 and EC we have found, which is 6. 4 by 6. That is equal to 2 by 3. Yes. From this, we can get AD by DB. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So using the converse of basic proportionality theorem, since the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, we get DE parallel to BC. Okay, the line DE divides these two sides in the ratio 2 by 3. Okay, then DE will be parallel to BC. Clear? In the previous question, it was given that the two lines are parallel. We had to show they are in the same ratio. They are divided in the same ratio. Here what is given? Here we have shown that they are in the same ratio and hence the lines are parallel. Now let us solve more problems from exercise 15b. Here we have the first problem, question 1 of exercise 15b. In the following figure, point D divides AB in the ratio 3:5. Find AE by EC. Here we have a figure, triangle ABC. This point D divides AB in the ratio 3:5, which means we can write AD by DB is equal to 3/5. These two lines are parallel. So, the ratio in which E divides AC will also be the same. Yes, we will be having AE by EC also equal to 3/5. If AE by EC equal to 3/5, from this we got the first answer. Yes, what is AE by EC? AE by AC is equal to 3/5. Okay, now the second one, we need to find what AD by AB is. We know what AD by DB is. Yes, AD by DB is equal to DB is equal to 3/5. Okay, now take the reciprocal of this because we need AD and we need AB. Adding AD and DB, we will be getting AB. Yes, we also need AD. To get this AD, we are taking the reciprocal. DB by AD is equal to, here we get 5/3. Now, adding 1 on both sides. On both sides, what do we get? AD DB by AD plus 1 is equal to 5/3 plus 1. Taking LCM, here we get AD in the denominator, numerator it is DB plus AD. And RHS, we have 3 in the denominator, 5 plus 3. DB plus AD. This is DB and this is AD. That is the total length AB. Here we get AB by AD is equal to 5 plus 3, 8 divided by 3. Now to get AD by AB, we just need to take the reciprocal again. AD by AB is equal to 3/8. Okay, AD by AB is equal to 3/8. Now, the third one, we need to find AE by AC. AC. What is AE by AC? Here, we have AD by AB. AD by AB is equal to 3/8. Then, what is AE by AC? AE by AC will also be equal to 3/8. Okay, because this line DE is parallel to BC. Since this line is parallel to BC, it cuts both the sides in equal ratios. Clear? Next, problem number 2, question 2 of exercise 15b. In the figure, PQ parallel AB. This is PQ and this is AB. Given CQ is equal to 4.8 centimeter. This is CQ and it is equal to 4.8 centimeter. QB is equal to 3.6 centimeter. And AB is given, which is 6.3 centimeter. Find CP by PA. CP by PA. Second, to find PQ And the third, if AP is equal to X, this is AP, and if AP is equal to X, then the value of AC in terms of X. So first let's find what CP by PA is. Given that PQ is parallel to AB, if PQ is parallel to AB, then the ratio in which these two sides, that is AC and BC, is divided by P and Q will be the same. That is, we'll be having CP by PA equal to CQ by QB. Here what do we need to find? We need to find CP by PA. Okay, we know what CQ is. CQ is equal to 4.8 and QB equal to 3.6. CP by PA is equal to 4.8 divided by 3.6. Okay, let's multiply numerator and denominator with 10 to remove the decimal. We get 48 divided by 36. 12 into 3 is 36 and 12 into 4 is 48, which is equal to 4 divided by 3. We got the ratio CP by PA is equal to 4 by 3. Now what is the second question? We need to find what PQ is. PQ. This is PQ. Yes. For that, consider the two triangles. Here we need a triangle that contains side PQ because we need to find PQ. If we are able to show these two triangles are similar, then with all other values we can find the value of PQ by taking the corresponding sides. So second question, consider triangle PCQ and triangle ACB. ACB. Okay. We need to show they are similar. How can I show they are similar? Here, when you consider this angle, that is PCQ and ACB, we understand that this angle is common to both the triangles. That is, angle PCQ is equal to angle ACB. Reason, this angle is common to both the triangles. What else? Here we have two parallel lines AB and PQ. When you consider this AC, this is a transversal. Transversal cuts these two lines. In that case, we get the corresponding angles. Angle CPQ and angle CAB are equal because these are corresponding angles. Angle CPQ equal to angle CAB. Reason, corresponding angles. Okay, so using the AA postulate, we get triangle PCQ similar to triangle ACB. PCQ is similar to triangle ACB. Okay, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides, the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal or the corresponding sides are proportional, from which we can write PC divided by AC equal to CQ by CB equal to PQ by AB. Okay, here for the second question we need to find what PQ is. Okay, what else do we know? We know what CQ is. CQ is 4.8. We know what CB is. How to find CB? This is CB. By adding BQ and QC, we'll be getting what CB is. Then we know the length of AB, which is 6.3. Okay. Then from this we can find what PQ is. So neglect this part. CQ by CB is equal to PQ by AB. Put the values. CQ is 4.8. 4.8 divided by 4.8 plus 3.6. 3.6 plus 4.8 is equal to PQ divided by AB is given, which is 6.3. Okay. 4.8 divided by 8.4. So 3.6 plus 4.8 we get 8.4 equal to PQ divided by 6.3, which implies PQ is equal to 4.8 into 6.3 divided by 8.4. Okay. To remove decimals, I am multiplying numerator with 100 and denominator also with 100. We get 48 into 63 divided by 84. Dividing with 7. 7 into 9 is 63. 7 into 12 is 84. Okay. 12 into 4 is 48. So we get 4 into 9, that is 36. Okay. We get 36 and here we have a 10, which implies PQ is equal to 4.8 into 6.3 divided by 8.4. So to remove decimal, numerator we have 2 decimals to remove and denominator also we need to remove 2 decimals in that case. I will be multiplying numerator and denominator with 100. Then 48 into 63 divided by 84 into 10. Okay. So this 63 is 7 into 9 and 84 is 7 into 12. Cancelling this. Then 12 into 4 is 48. Here we get 4. So what is 4 into 9? 4 into 9 is 36 and here we have divided by 10. 3.6. 3.6 centimeter is the length of PQ. PQ is 3.6 centimeter. Now the third part, if AP is equal to X, we are taking AP is equal to X, then the value of AC, we need to find the value of AC in terms of X. AP, this is AP. Okay. We have the ratio CP by PA is equal to 4 by 3, which we have determined in the first part. First part we got CP by PA is equal to 4 by 3. Using this I am going to find what AC is in terms of X. Here we are taking AP, that is PA as X. Substituting we get CP divided by X is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. If CP by X is equal to 4 by 3, we get CP is equal to 4 into X divided by 3, taking this X to opposite side. Okay. So we got CP, this part as 4X divided by 3. And we already have AP is equal to X. What is AC? AC is equal to AP plus PC or CP. Put the values. We have AP, that is X, equal to X plus PC. PC is this part, which is 4X divided by 3. And that is equal to, taking LCM, denominator we get 3. 3 into X plus 4X, which is 7X divided by 3. Therefore, AC in terms of X we get 7X divided by 3. Clear? Next, problem number 3, question 3 of exercise 15B. A line PQ is drawn parallel to side BC of triangle ABC, which cuts side AB at P and side AC at Q. If AB is equal to 9 cm, CA is equal to 6 cm and AQ is equal to 4.2 cm, find the length of AP. We are considering a triangle ABC. So, this is triangle ABC. Given that a line PQ is drawn parallel to BC. This is side BC, parallel to BC, I am drawing PQ. Okay. It cuts AB at P and the side AC at Q. Okay. Given the length of AB, the total length of AB is 9 centimeter. Then CA is this total length which is given, that is 6 centimeter. Also the length of AQ, the small length is given, which is 4.2 centimeter. We need to find the length of AP. AP is this part. Okay. So according to the basic proportionality theorem, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle, it divides the other two sides in equal ratio. So here the other two sides are AB and AC. They are divided by line PQ at points P and Q, which means AP by PB. The ratio AP by PB will be equal to the ratio AQ by QC. Yes, AQ by QC. Here we know this total length AB. If I know what AB is, then we can find AP. How? Here we need AP, right? We don't know what AP is. Let us take AP as some X. We are taking AP as X. Okay. What about PB? PB is this part. To get this part from total length 9 centimeter, we can subtract the small part X. So, we will be getting AB is equal to given 9 centimeter and AP we have taken X centimeter, which means BP is equal to 9 minus X centimeter. So, this part is 9 minus X equal to, what is AQ? AQ is given, which is 4.2 by QC. What is QC? QC is this length. QC will be equal to AC minus AQ. We have AC given, that is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter minus AQ is 4.2. 6 minus 4.2, which is equal to 1.8 centimeter. So, this part QC is 1.8 centimeter. Now, cross multiplying, 1.8x is equal to 4.2 into 9 minus x. Okay. 1.8 into x is equal to, removing the brackets and multiplying, we get 37.8. 4.2 into 9 will be getting 37.8 minus 4.2x. Now taking all the x containing terms to one side, we get 1.8x plus 4.2x. Minus 4.2x, when taken to the left hand side, it becomes plus 4.2x is equal to 37.8. Okay. Adding, we get 6x is equal to 37.8. If 6x is equal to 37.8, then x is equal to 37.8 divided by 6. What is 37.8 divided by 6? We get 6.3 centimeter. So, x is equal to 6.3 centimeter, which means our required length AP is equal to 6.3 centimeter. Here we have taken some unknown value x. You can do like this or doing the method we have used earlier, that is adding 1 on both sides. After that, taking the LCM, you can do the normal procedures. Here I have given you one more tip, that is by taking x we can solve this question. Next, problem number 4, question 4 of exercise 15b. In triangle ABC, D and E are the points on sides AB and AC respectively. Find whether DE is parallel to BC if, first question, AB is equal to 9 centimeter, AD is equal to 4 centimeter, AE is equal to 6 centimeter and EC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Here let us consider a triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. Okay, we have 2 points D and E on sides AB and AC. Here we have D and here we have E. We have to find whether DE, this is the line joining points D and E, is parallel to BC. So in the first question, the given conditions are, we have AB is equal to 9 centimeter, AD is equal to 4 centimeter, AE is equal to 6 centimeter and EC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. AB, this is AB, this total length is given, which is 9 centimeter. Then we have AD 4 centimeter. This is AD and this length is 4 centimeter. We have AE is equal to 6 centimeter and EC is given, which is 7.5 centimeter. Okay. If the ratio of corresponding sides are equal, in that case we will be getting DE parallel to BC, which means the points D and point E should divide AB and AC in the same ratio. If D and E, which is part of the line DE, divides AB and AC in the same ratio, then we will be getting DE parallel to BC. We have to prove DE parallel to BC. Okay. To get DE parallel to BC, the ratio should be same, that is AD divided by DB should be equal to AE by EC. Okay, here we know AE, we know EC. Then we have AD, we just need to find what DB is. How to find DB? DB will be equal to, we have AD plus DB is equal to AB, which means DB will be equal to AB minus this part, that is AD. Here AB, the total length AB is 9 centimeter minus this part is 4 centimeter. 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5 centimeter. We got this DB is equal to 5 centimeter. So put the values. What is AD by DB? AD by DB is equal to 4 divided by 5. What about AE by EC? AE by EC is equal to, AE is equal to 6 and EC is equal to 7.5. So in order to remove the decimal, I am multiplying numerator and denominator with 10. We get 60 divided by 75. Okay. 5 into 12 is 60. 5 into 15 is 75. Again, 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 5 is 15, which means the ratio is 4 by 5. Okay, here also we got 4 by 5, which means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Yes, we got this. That is, the sides are divided by points D and E in the equal ratio, which means this line DE will be parallel to BC. DE parallel BC. This is how we can prove. Hence the proof. Okay, understood? So, to get DE parallel to BC, only this condition is required, that is the ratio of the sides which the points D and E divides should be equal. So, we are getting them equal and hence DE will be parallel to BC. Okay. Now, the second part, here we have AB is equal to 6.3 centimeter, EC is equal to 11 centimeter, AD is equal to 0.8 centimeter and AE is equal to 1.6 centimeter. Consider the triangle ABC. ABC. We have D and E here. This is the line joining points D and E. Given AB is equal to 6.3. This total length is 6.3 centimeter. EC is 11 centimeter. This is 11 centimeter. Then AD is equal to, AD is this part. AD is equal to 0.8 centimeter and AE is given, AE is equal to 1.6 centimeter. Same thing we have to prove. to prove DE parallel to BC. To prove DE parallel to BC, that is the ratio of the sides which the line DE divides should be equal. Only then DE will be parallel to BC. That is AD divided by DB should be equal to AE by EC. Okay, here AD is not. What about DB? We don't know what DB is. We can find what DB is. DB will be equal to AB minus AD. Okay, DB, this part is equal to total AB minus the small part AD. What is AB? AB is equal to 6.3 minus AD is equal to 0.8. That is 5.5 centimeter. We got this part which is 5.5 centimeter. What else? AE. AE is 1.6. What about EC? EC is also given which is 11. So let's take the first ratio. AD divided by DB. AD by DB is equal to AD is 0.8 divided by DB. DB is 5.5. In order to remove the decimal, I am multiplying numerator and denominator with 10. We get 8 divided by 55. Okay. Now the second, AE by EC. AE by EC is 1.6 divided by 11. Okay. What about this? We can multiply numerator and denominator with 10 to remove the decimal. Here we get 16 divided by 110. Okay. Half of 16 is 8. Half of 110 is 55. So we'll be getting 8 divided by 55. Here also we got 8 divided by 55. Which means we have AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay. We got D and E divides lines AB and AC in the same ratio. Which means the line DE is parallel to BC. Hence the proof. DE parallel to BC. Hence proved. Okay. Next problem number 5. In the given figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Here we have the figure. This is triangle ADE and this is a bigger one is the triangle ABC. If AE is to EC is equal to 4:7 and DE is equal to 6.6 centimeter, find BC. If X be the length of the perpendicular from A to DE, find the length of perpendicular from A to BC in terms of X. Let's find the first part, that is find the value of BC. Okay, we need to find BC. It is given that these two triangles are similar, that is triangle ADE and ABC are similar. If triangles are similar, we know that the angles will be same and the ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. So here given that AE is to EC equal to 4:7, which means we can write AE by EC is equal to 4 divided by 7. AE is this part and EC is this part. Okay. When you consider these two triangles, we actually don't need EC, but we need AC. How to find AC from this? We need AE and AC. To find AC, I am going to take the reciprocal, that is EC by AE is equal to 7 by 4. Okay. Now adding 1 on both sides. Adding 1 on both sides, we get EC by AE plus 1 is equal to 7 by 4 plus 1. Okay. Now taking LCM, denominator here will be having AE and the numerator EC plus AE. That is equal to, here the denominator is 4. We have 7 plus 4 into 1, 4. EC plus AE. EC is this part and AE is this part. The total AC. AC divided by, here we have AE. AE is equal to 7 plus 4 is 11 divided by 4. Okay. AC and AE are the corresponding sides of the similar triangles. Okay. We got the ratio of the corresponding sides of similar triangles 11 by 4. Now, when you consider these two triangles, we'll be having AD by AB. AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. AE by AC, and that is equal to DE by BC. DE by BC. Okay. Here we have the ratio AC by AE is equal to 11 by 4, which means AE by AC is equal to 4 by 11. Okay. We got AE by AC. What else do we know? We know the value of DE. DE is equal to 6.6 centimeter. We need to find BC, which means this part can be neglected. Take this part, that is AE by AC is equal to DE by BC. We need to find BC. BC will be equal to DE into AC divided by A. Taking this BC to this side and the reciprocal of AE by AC to this side, we get DE into AC divided by A. What is DE? The value of DE is equal to 6.6 into AC. AC by AE. AC by AE is 11 divided by 4. 11 by 4. Okay. Now to remove the decimal, we are multiplying numerator and denominator with 10. We get 66 into 11 divided by 4 into 10. Okay. So this becomes 33 and this is 2. 33 into 11 we get 363 divided by 2 into 10. 363 divided by 2 we get 181.5 divided by 10, and that is equal to 18.15. So 18.15 is the length of BC. BC is this part is equal to 18.15 centimeter. Okay, understood this? Now the second part of question, if x be the length of the perpendicular from A to DE, this is a perpendicular drawn from the vertex A to DE, and this perpendicular has a length x. Find the length of perpendicular from A to BC. A to BC means this is a perpendicular, which is drawn from A to side BC in terms of x. We need to find it in terms of x. Okay. Here we are going to consider two triangles. Triangle A, let us put this point as P and this point as some Q. So triangle APE and triangle AQC. AQC. Let's see if these two triangles are similar. If they are similar, we can use the ratio of corresponding sides in order to find the length of AQ. Okay. So when you consider these two triangles, there is a common angle. This angle is common to both the triangles. Yes, that is EAP and CAQ are equal. Angle EAP is equal to angle CAQ because it is common. Okay. One more angle. We have APE and AQC equal because they are equal to 90 degree. Angle APE equal to angle AQC 90 degree. Okay. So using the AA postulate, we get these two triangles are similar. Triangle APE similar triangle AQC. Okay, since these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides should be equal. That is, the ratio of their corresponding sides should be equal. Here we have AP by AQ is equal to PE by QC is equal to AE by AC. Okay, what do we need to find? We need to find the value of AQ. Here we have AQ. What is AP? We know AP is equal to X. Okay, now do we know AE by AC? We have found AE by AC. This is the value of AE by AC. So we can neglect this part. Take only these two, that is AP by AQ is equal to AE by AC. That is AP is X divided by AQ, we don't know, we need to find, is equal to AE by AC. AE by AC is 4 by 11. 4 by 11. Okay, then what is AQ? AQ will be equal to, taking AQ to this side, will be getting 11 into X divided by 4. 11 into X divided by 4. That is AQ is equal to 11X by 4. The length of perpendicular from A, vertex A to side BC is equal to 11X divided by 4. Clear? 11X by 4. Next, problem number 6, question 6 of exercise 15B. A line segment DE is drawn parallel to base BC of triangle ABC, which cuts AB at point D and AC at point E. If AB is equal to 5 times BD and EC is equal to 3.2 cm, find the length of AE. We have a triangle ABC. A line DE is parallel to BC. What else is given? We have AB is equal to 5 times BD. This AB is equal to 5 times BD can be written as AB divided by BD is equal to 5 divided by 1. Also given that EC is equal to 3.2 centimeter. We need to find the length of AE. Okay. Here we have AB, then BD, and EC is given. EC, this part is equal to 3.2 centimeter. We need to find the length of AE, that is this part. Okay. So here, this line DE is parallel to BC, which means DE divides AB and AC at points D and E in the same ratio, which means we'll be having AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Here we have AB by BD. Okay, since we have AB by BD, we'll be getting AD by DB. Yes, what we have to do is take this part, that is AB by BD is equal to 5 by 1. Okay, from AB, if you subtract BD, you will be getting AD. Yes, to subtract BD from AB, we are going to subtract minus 1. We are going to subtract 1 from both sides. Subtracting 1 from both sides. That is AB divided by BD minus 1 is equal to 5 by 1 minus 1. Okay. AB divided by BD minus 1. Taking LCM, we get BD in the denominator. Numerator will be having AB minus BD into 1, which is BD. Is equal to, here we will be getting 1 in the denominator. Numerator 5 minus 1 into 1, which is 1. AB minus BD. AB is this part and BD is this part. We will be getting AD. AD divided by BD is equal to 5 minus 1, 4 divided by 1. We got the ratio AD by BD. What do we need to find? We need to find the length of AE. Okay, we have AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. Therefore, AE by EC is equal to 4 divided by 1. If AE by EC is equal to 4 divided by 1 and we have the value of EC which is equal to 3.2 centimeter, we can easily find what AE is. AE is equal to EC into 4 divided by 1. EC is equal to 3.2 centimeter. That is 3.2 into 4 divided by 1 and that is equal to 12.8 centimeter. Okay, we got the length of AE. The length of AE, that is this part, is equal to 12.8 centimeter. Clear? Simple question, right? Just if you know the basic proportionality theorem, you can solve every questions that comes here. Next, problem number 7, question 8 of exercise 15b. In the figure given below, PQR is a right angle triangle, right angled at Q. XY is parallel to QR. PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. PY is equal to 4 centimeter. PX is to XQ is equal to 1 is to 2. Calculate the length of PR and QR. Here we have the triangle which is right angled at Q. Then we have XY parallel to QR. If XY is parallel to QR, XY parallel to QR, then according to the basic proportionality theorem, we'll be having the ratio of the sides. PX by XQ equal to PY by YR. PY divided by YR. Here it is given that PX by XQ is equal to 1 is to 2, that is 1 by 2. Okay. Also given the length of PY. PY is 4 centimeter. From this we can find what YR is. PX by XQ is 1 by 2, that is equal to P by 4 divided by YR. From which we will be getting YR. On cross multiplying, we get YR is equal to 2 into 4 divided by 1, that is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, we got this length. YR is 8 centimeter. We already have PY is equal to 4 centimeter. Then what is PR? PR will be equal to PY plus YR. Okay, PY plus YR. That is 4 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, which is 12 centimeter. We got this total length. PR is equal to 12 centimeter. What else we need to find? We need to find QR. This part we have to find. Okay. It is given that PQ is equal to, the length PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. PQ is 6 centimeter. PQ is the height or altitude of the right triangle and QR is the base. PR is the hypotenuse. According to Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. We need to find the base. Then base square will be equal to hypotenuse square minus height square. Or base is equal to root of hypotenuse square minus height square. That is, put the values, root of hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is PR. The length of PR, total length of PR is 12. 12 square minus height is 6. 6 square, which is root of 12 square is 144 minus 6 square is 36. Okay, 144 minus 36 will be getting root of 108. Base is equal to root of 108. We need to find root of 108. This is not a perfect square. 108 can be written as, that is equal to root of 36 into 3. Okay. What is 36? 36 can again be written as 9 into 4 into 3. 36 is 9 into 4. 9 is a perfect square number. 4 is also a perfect square number. So we can take the square root outside. Square root of 9 is 3. 3. Square root of 4 is 2 into 2. And this root 3 that is remaining. So the answer is 6 root 3 centimeter. Okay. 6 root 3 centimeter is the length of QR. that is our base. Okay, here we have the last problem for today, problem number 8, question 10 of exercise 15b. The given figure shows a parallelogram ABCD. E is a point in AD and CE produced meets BA produced at point F. If AE is equal to 4 centimeter, AF is equal to 8 centimeter. AF is this part equal to 8 centimeter and AB is equal to 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the parallelogram ABCD. To get the perimeter, this is a parallelogram. Yes. So we have to add AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. We only know the value of AB. For a parallelogram, we know that opposite sides are parallel and equal. AB is equal to 12 centimeter, which means CD will also be equal to 12 centimeter, because in case of a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal for a parallelogram. So we got two sides. We need to find AD and BC. How to find AD and BC? Here, when you consider these two triangles, that is, consider triangle EAF and triangle EDC. EAF and EDC. These two angles will be equal. What do we call these angles? Vertically opposite angles. Angle DEC equal to angle AEF. They are vertically opposite angles. Any other angle? We are having AB parallel to CD. Okay. Then this is a transversal. The CF is a transversal. So, these two angles will be the alternate interior angles. Yes. Since these are alternate interior angles, they will be equal. Angle DCE equal to angle AFE. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Okay. We got two angles of the corresponding triangles equal. So, using the AA postulate, we get triangle EAF similar to triangle EDC. EDC. Okay. Then the corresponding sides should be equal. The ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. EA by ED equal to AF divided by DC, that is equal to EF divided by EC. Okay. Here what do we need? We need to find the perimeter of the parallelogram ABCD. To find the perimeter of parallelogram, consider these two triangles. We need this length, right? Here we already know what DC is. DC. DC is already known. Okay. What about AB? AB is already known, but this AB is not the part of these triangles. So, we cannot consider. Value of EA is known. EA is 4 centimeter. Okay. We have AF given. AF. This part is also given. We can easily find what ED is. Adding ED and EA will be getting this total length. Okay. From which the perimeter can be determined. So, taking only this part, neglecting this, we will be having EA by ED is equal to AF by DC, which implies EA. EA is 4 centimeter. 4 divided by ED. ED we have to find. ED is equal to AF. AF is 8 divided by DC. DC is this part, which is 12. which implies ED is equal to, cross multiplying, we get 12 into 4 divided by 8. Cancelling 4 and 8, we get 2 here. 12 by 2 is equal to 6 centimeter. ED, this part is 6 centimeter. If ED is equal to 6 centimeter, then AD is equal to DE plus EA. DE is 6 centimeter and EA is 4 centimeter, which is equal to 10 centimeter. We got this total length equal to 10 centimeter. Side opposite to this, length of this side, BC will also be equal to 10 centimeter. Then perimeter equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. AB is 12, BC is 10, plus CD is again 12 and AD is again 10. 12 plus 10 plus 12 plus 10, which is equal to 44 centimeter. 44 centimeter. Clear? So this is how you can find the perimeter of the parallelogram given. That's all for today. In today's class, we have discussed the basic proportionality theorem and the converse of it with many examples and solved questions from exercise 15b. Hope you all enjoyed this session. There are a few more questions left which you can solve on your own. I'll be back in the next session. Until then, stay tuned to LearnoHub. LearnoHub free hai, par best hai. Thank you.